Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Shuolide 1300C. Now this was sent to me by Banggood.com. Comes in this box, a little bit banged up during shipping, but let's wait no further. Let's open this up and see what's in. Doesn't come with any kind of owner's manual. This is a USB rechargeable, so it does come with the cable, does come with a lanyard, and that's a rope style. So let's go ahead and take a look at the light. Where you hook up your lanyard to. Finish on this is pretty good. And go ahead and show you the USB charging port there. That is a micro. Now I notice it doesn't say Shuolide anywhere on this. And here's the power switch here. And it is flush with the body in certain areas, but it does stick out from the body a little bit. Nice style and design. And it is on the smaller side, not too small though. Knurling is nice here, nice and rough enough to where you can grab onto that. Okay, it does have a steel bezel on this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. This is a textured Cree XHP 70 LED. Now according to Banggood, this will kick out 3500 lumens on turbo. So let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the cells that I'm running. Straight contact point on the head there. Okay. And show you springs down at the bottom there of the barrel. And I'm going to be running the eFest 2500 milliamps. These are an unprotected cell. Alright, so we'll go ahead and put these back in and we'll get started on this with the UI. Okay, and the threads are well greased, as you can see. So we're going to go ahead and put this back together. That way we don't have any problems here. Alright, now that we got it all back together, let's go ahead and go through the UI. Now the UI is real simple on this. All you have to do, it will start off on high. A lot of light coming out of there. And really nice beam profile. It's got a little bit of a larger spot on that because it is the bigger LED. It's got a nice spill on this. A little bit of bleeding here, not much. Okay. This does power on. This will turn red when your batteries are getting low. And we're going to go down through the outputs. And then that shuts off. Now if you want to press and hold that to get strobe, now that's a variable strobe, so it speeds up and slows down. Then you press and hold it to get out. Then of course you go right back to the UI. That's it. Really simple, easy to use. Feels well constructed. Really nice a nice style and design. It's not too overly complicated. So quite surprising. So let's go ahead and take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Shuolide HHP 70 in this bad boy. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on. Look at that. Comes on high every time. So that's really impressive. Doing really good. Shows a lot of light coming out here. It is making those palm trees, which is really nice. And this is a lot of light here. Very impressive with the nice spill of that tree of life. And you can't do it any better than the XHP 70 by Cree. Is an incredible LED. Look at that, all the way across the park. Look at that. This is incredible. For the amount that you'll pay for this light, look how much light is coming out of here. Over 3,000 lumens. Very impressed. Making the bleachers there, making those trees across the way. That is amazing. Alright, we're going to go down that next level there. Very nice. Very affordable. Very nice performance. We're going to go down to the next level. As you can see, very nice. You can easily see that 35 feet up close range. Still faintly making the tree of life. Very impressed. Very nice performance on this Shuolide. T90 is very nice. Of course, you got strobe. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed those night shots. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed those night shots. This thing did very well. The Cree XHP 70 is extremely bright. Has a good, nice, full beam pattern. Build quality on this is very good. Machining on this is very good. And also the performance is very good. All in all, this is a USB rechargeable, so once you get the batteries, you can leave them in the light and just charge them via USB. In any case, this is a solid, all-around, good budget light, and I just want to thank Banggood.com for sending me this to review. Now, if you're interested in getting this, look up on that screen right about there. And my special discount there will help you save some money, should you be interested. That's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these type of budget lights to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.